Part 5. Challenges and Solutions. Starting a business with ChatGPT can be an exciting venture, but like any entrepreneurial journey, it comes with its share of challenges. In this segment, we'll explore the common obstacles you may encounter and provide practical solutions to overcome them. Step 41. User Experience Enhancement. Focus on enhancing the user experience with ChatGPT. Regularly gather feedback from users to identify pain points and areas for improvement. Implement user-centric updates to make interactions smoother and more satisfying. Step 42. Enhanced Content Curation. Leverage ChatGPT's content analysis abilities to curate personalized content for your customers. Whether it's product recommendations, news articles, or tailored marketing messages, AI can help boost engagement. Step 43. AI-driven predictive analytics. Embrace predictive analytics powered by ChatGPT to forecast trends and customer behavior. This valuable insight can inform marketing strategies and inventory management. Step 44. Multilingual support expansion. If you're targeting a global audience, consider expanding ChatGPT's language support to cater to diverse customer bases. This can open up new markets and increase user engagement. Step 45. AI-powered virtual assistants. Explore the creation of AI-powered virtual assistants for your business. These can handle customer inquiries, schedule appointments, and provide information 24/7, improving customer service and efficiency. Step 46. Automated social media management. Use ChatGPT to automate social media management tasks, such as content scheduling and responding to comments. This saves time and ensures consistent engagement with your audience. Step 47. AI governance and ethical considerations. Prioritize AI governance and ethical considerations. Ensure that ChatGPT adheres to ethical guidelines and regulations to maintain public trust and avoid potential legal issues. Step 48. Enhanced security measures. With ChatGPT's increasing integration into business operations, cybersecurity becomes paramount. Invest in cutting-edge security measures to protect sensitive data and AI systems from threats. Step 49. AI-powered decision support. In the future, ChatGPT will serve as a valuable decision support tool. It will analyze vast datasets, provide insights, and even recommend strategies, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. Step 50. Customization for brand alignment. Tailor ChatGPT to align seamlessly with your brand's voice, values, and objectives. Customization ensures consistency in customer interactions and enhances brand recognition. As you proceed through these steps, you'll be well prepared to tackle the challenges and unlock the potential of ChatGPT for your business. Stay adaptable and keep an eye on emerging AI trends to stay ahead in the dynamic world of AI-driven entrepreneurship.